Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Irina Lyamshina and today we will paint the yellow rose. I take the flat brush number 22, load up one edge of the brush with the orange color and other edge with the brown color. Blend these colors on the palette and we will paint the upper part of the rose like this. And maybe some strokes in the center. And now we will load up the yellow color on the one edge of the brush and the brown color on the other edge again. Blend these colors on the palette and we will paint the other part of the rose. And now let's paint the strokes in the center by the same brush. Let's paint like this. Let it dry. Now I take the smaller flat brush. I have the flat brush number 14. You can use the flat brush number 12 if you like it. Load up one edge of the brush with the yellow color and other edge with the white color. Blend these colors on the palette and we will make some strokes like this. You can make very short strokes. Maybe some stroke like this. A little bit. So we can add some dots in the center of the flower. I take the yellow color a little bit. Paint some leaves. I take the light green color on the one edge of the brush and the dark green color on the other edge. Blend these colors on the palette. Here is our beautiful yellow rose. I hope you like it. See you